In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add text behind objects or subjects here in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we have our sample subject right here, and I would want to add a text behind that. So now we're just gonna press on the effects button right here and go into titles right here. And basically you just need to go for a basic title, which is this one, and drag it right here, and then you can now style the text right here once it is on your timeline. Now let's style it. So I'm just gonna go for say behind text, maybe something like that, and then change the font into something better, maybe something like that, and then go for the size, make it bigger to fit the screen right there. And now the next thing is that you want to duplicate your video right here. So make it on top, and then you want to select the top video right there, and then you would want to go into Fusion. Here in Fusion, you want to press the Control plus the space key on your keyboard, and then you would want to go for the magic mask, which is this one right here. Click on magic mask, click on add. It'll now be added right here. You want to put it right here, connect media into magic mask, and then connect magic mask into media out right there. Once you're done, click on magic mask. Next is that you want to place your playhead here at the beginning of the video where you'd want to start. And next is that you want to go into magic mask, go into inspector tab right here, and then you'd be able to see that you now have the stroke mode. You want to make sure that the plus is selected, and then you'd have this eyedropper tool as your cursor now, and then you just simply need to draw over your subject so that you'd be able to tell DaVinci Resolve that this is your subject in here, and then you would want this to not be removed right there. And once you're done is that there might still be some parts that is cut out from the subject, so I just want to make sure is that they are still included right there. And then once you're done, you want to click here on the track forward tool so that it will now be tracked moving frames forward. As you can see, it is now being tracked. You just need to wait for that to finish, and then we should now be all good to go. Alright, now that it's done, the next thing that we would want to do is to go back here into edit tab. And then you'd now be able to see that we now have the effect right here, which is the behind the subject text effect. So that's how you would be able to do this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.